In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure local delivery settings in your Shopify store. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process smoothly, ensuring you set everything up correctly to offer local delivery to your customers. Let's dive right in. First, begin by navigating to your Shopify homepage. You'll want to go to the admin panel where you can access all the back-end settings of your store. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already accustomed to it. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Settings option, which is usually located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Click on it. This section of your Shopify admin panel is your gateway to fine-tuning the different aspects of your store's operations, from checkout settings to order notifications. After clicking Settings, you'll need to find the Shipping and Delivery option. Look for it in the menu. It should be under the General Settings section. Once found, go ahead and click on it. This area allows you to manage how your products reach your customers, so it's crucial to set it up according to your business model and geographic scope. Now, within the Shipping and Delivery menu, you'll see an option for Local Delivery. Click on this option as it will bring you to the specific settings for offering deliveries to customers within a defined range around your physical store location. Offering local delivery can be a great way to increase your service offering and differentiate yourself from competitors by providing convenient and fast delivery options. Once you're in the local delivery section, look for the Setup button. Clicking this will initiate the setup process for your local delivery options. Configuring local delivery involves defining the delivery area, minimum order amounts, and any other specifications that suit your logistics capabilities and strategic intent. As you proceed through the setup process, make sure to enter accurate information regarding your delivery radius. You can use postal codes or geographic boundaries to delineate where you're able to provide local delivery services. Additionally, consider any logistic capabilities or constraints you might have when defining these areas to avoid overcommitting your service promise. Focus also on ensuring that your pricing models for delivery align with your business goals. You may offer free local delivery over a certain order value to encourage larger purchases, or set flat rate fees to cover more significant distances or additional packaging requirements. That's it for configuring local delivery in your Shopify store. By following these steps, you'll be all set to offer this added convenience to your customers. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your Shopify store with local deliveries.